stick. It's like a purple color. Oh, it looks so cool. And doesn't matter, you can go in a different direction. It doesn't have to be the way I'm doing it. You can go back more than just one time. And look at that, it's just a one dip and it goes so many times. You don't have to dip it back in if you don't need to. And I'm gonna close that one. This is number 10, just in case you wonder what it is. And only I need is crystal clear. I don't need anything else. I don't even need the brush unless I'm using the flowers for the brush. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to our live tutorial. It's great to have everyone's. Thank you, Tammy, for sharing the stream. We appreciate it. And now it's set from shiny to a matte. And I'm going to tap it on the edges. I'm going to guide it back from the outside, inside, toward to inside, so then I can create like all different veins that I would like to, like I have a marble veins. There's no like set of what do you want to do, because each time you do the nails with marble from like liquid and powder or fusionings or blossom gel, they're all going to be different. So that is the beautiful things about it. It's none of them are identical, so I really like it. So I'm using tap outside and guide it toward to the center. Wipe up. You can see that I bring it here so you can see that all that pigments. And you can do more than one colors. I would do like, sometimes you see me doing like more than just one. I did 2, sometimes I did 3. Sometimes I did even up to 5 colors. So it really depends on what you want or your clients want. Not like what you want, like more like your clients who are asking for something.
Oh, that's coming out really cool.
See, so I'm keep working on it. And next time I just need a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of your crystal clear. It's cool.
Yep, this is one more time for everybody just tuning in. This is number 10 fusioning. The color is majestic.
I really like that. What you want to see with this one. I love the background. It doesn't matter whatever you're doing. Just give you a good start, you know. It's bring it like a more colorful stuff. So if you want to clean it more, like more, you can really definitely define that more. But I want to get some super cute. Wipe it off. Should we do any of this?
Do some pink flower. It will stand real nice on it.
Oh, This is so pretty. Look at that.
Okay. Drink water.
Ooh, palm tree.
Or you want some pot leaf?
Oh, do you want to see some pot leaves?
Yellow flower, money.
Yellow flowers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do some veins on this one first. I'm using precision brush.
Do a little bit.
Like I meant the gel painting with precision brush right there.
Yeah.
And it's really precise. I'm so pleased with this. Usually when you see me using with jet black on the gel painting, it works great as well. Just light touch.
People like palm tree, money, white, so probably pot leaf that work.
I'm just wiggling a little bit. That's all you need. You don't need to hold heavy touch. Just give it a little bit soft touch. You see that I just like zigzag it a little bit. I'm just getting a soft touch so it looks more natural than it's just like a whole entire straight line. Great. So I'm gonna give it like 30 seconds here. What everybody wants. Oh, this one, it looks good. Rainbow. All of the new arrivals will come into your like shopping tonight when you're seeing this. Fire Goodness Nails. Hello, love. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. This is so cool. There's so many. One of them. What you want? Flowers? And what else do you want? We'll have oh, you know what I really like to look, even you get this ready for your upcoming holiday. This is so stunning. You know, I like that. Look at the hollow one. Should I do that?
Well, just stand out for sure.
And I'm gonna put some gold on it. Okay, golden touch again, everyone, because we're gonna do some gold hints in it. Using my twin tip brush. Here's the color, just in case you were asking. So thick and really pigmented. I am going to cure for 30 seconds. Great. Close that. And here's a golden touch. I don't know how long it take you, but it take me forever. It's such a great investment. It's like it's really, really pigmented. It's like a really, how I say is a deep look of the gold color, like gold shimmery. Thank you, Marcy. What glitter? Hey, my goodness nails. How are you, love? Thank you, Mercy. Thank you, Copycat Nails. All right, so I have Nancy. You show us how to do one strokes painting flower with a brush, please. You know, super cute bling nails. That's such a great request.